Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So happy you guys came back. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving and spent it with the ones you loved. But it is my favorite time of the season, and that means that it is time to show you the FabFitFun Box. And as always, I'm a lover of the whole outside of the FabFitFun Box. It is, whoever designs these boxes is amazing. I love each and every single box that comes, and I feel that they are so perfect for each season that they represent. And you know, every box that comes is supported by some kind of charity, some kind of association, something like that. So this one is in support of the Kindness Factory. In the Kindness Factory, and I did, when it comes to add-ons, I did donate to the Kindness Factory. Just because I feel like every time we get the opportunity to donate, we should. So I always donate a little bit of money every time. But I'm going to read this. The Kindness Factory is a for-purpose organization whose aim is to research and develop evidence-based programs to ignite as much kindness around the world as possible. And I think that there is such a shortage of that nowadays, and I feel like this is such a great organization that I had to donate to, and I was so thrilled to. But we are going to go ahead and get started with everything that came in the box. You know the drill. So, first thing, when I open the box, we get our typical magazine, and on this season's magazine is Brooke Burke. If you don't know who Brooke Burke is, she is an amazing human being, and she is the one that is on the cover and that they talk about in here. Along with this, then I've got a coupon for $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So if anybody wants this, hit me up, let me know. And then of course we get our HelloFresh gift card that they always send us in every single box that I love. HelloFresh is a great company, and they provide really healthy meals and really fresh meals as well. Alright, so we're going to dive into my customizations first. So first customization that I wanted to do was Bear Paw. So Bear Paw is a great company, and it came with a set of gloves that have the top that come off of it, so you still have your fingertips out so you can work your phone, as well as this super soft, I mean, you guys already know what this feels like, headband to go along with it. I'm really excited for this. It is getting colder down here now. I know not as cold as other places, but this will really come in handy when we start getting our really low temperatures in the season. My second customization item was this Lele Saudahi silver circle necklace. I'm not much of a silver person. I like gold jewelry, but this is really so simple that I know I will get some wear out of this. So I really, as soon as I saw it, I know how to get it. But it's really pretty and I love it. The third customization item that I have is this Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Roller. I know these are huge right now. You put it on your skin, it's really good for your skin. And it's even better when you put it in the freezer, pull it out, even better. It kind of just wakes up your skin, gets it ready to go for the day. So I was really excited to get this and have the opportunity, because I really wanted to try it out, because I have really, really bad skin. So I really wanted to see if it actually worked. I talked to people who said it did. Alright, now on to the actual items of the box. So, the first thing I saw when I opened the box was this Bite Beauty amuse-bouche lipstick. It's really, really pretty color, and I know that I'm really going to get some use out of this. It's like a nudish pink color. I know you probably can't see it in this as well, but it's really quite a pretty color. And I know, like, I can get some wear out of this, so I'm really, really, really excited to try this out. And I'm really excited to try out Bite Beauty. Meringue is the color. Alright, next thing in the box. We got some Elevate 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. I've taken this out already. One spilled a little bit, but it's okay. So I just kept them in here. They're 2 little small bottles. If you've ever tried essential oils, they are fantastic for you. Each one is different. So the eucalyptus is revitalizing, and the sweet orange is energizing. So they all have really good purposes in life. If you've never tried essential oils, go try Elevate. They actually have a lot of different kinds, and they are a great company, and essential oils are really, really good for you. So definitely go try it out. All right, next item we have is Thrive Cosmetics. It's a brilliant eye brightener highlighting stick. Now, I have never personally tried a highlighting stick, so I'm actually kind of excited for this. And I'm gonna put this on my hand as well, see if it shows up. But it's very gold. I don't know if you can see that, probably not because of the light. But it's very, very pretty. And the color is, I can just see myself using this already for like really, really parties to make things brighter. And I know I will get a lot of use out of this. And it's Stella Champagne Shimmer. Hey, get a lot of use out of it. All right, the next one, Avaha Hydration Cream Mask. Hydrate. Very important, very, very, very important. And I really can't wait to use this because I've been looking for a good cream mask, and this one smells amazing. I've already opened it up and smelled it. If you guys could smell it, you would say the same thing. But this is amazing, and I cannot wait to try this, and I think it will actually do really good things for my skin. The next item I have, okay, they usually, FabFitFun does a great job of sending items like this in every package, like some kind of like clothing item, something like that, some little throw. Especially since it's the winter time, this is going to be amazing. So this is from the company Mark & Graham. They also do personalized gifts, and this is really a really pretty color. It's like a tannish grayish color. And I'm gonna take it out real quick just so you guys can see how big it is. It's like, I'm so excited to use this. You can use this as a scarf, honestly. Use it as a blanket. But one side is darker than the other, and it's actually really, really pretty. And it's got these little ends right here, which you know I love these in products, and it's super big. And I really can't wait to use this along with my other warm essentials. All right, last thing in the box, which I have also been seeing a lot of this and coming up with my travels. I am very excited to be able to use these on the airplane. Black eye mask, hydraulic acid. You put these underneath your eyes. So I'm gonna pull one out real quick. And in the box came 5 of them, which I'm really, really super happy about. Late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb-on-carb delights. Can have our peppers looking, well, not so fresh. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on our activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. Can't wait to use these. Really, really excited about these, actually, because I've been waiting a really long time to get some of these, and I'm glad they came in the box. But that is what is in this season's box. I am so excited about it, and I hope you guys, if you haven't already, go try FabFitFun. They are an amazing company, and they are hitting record number of subscribers, like off the charts. So keep going supporting them. They support so many different organizations, people who are just starting their businesses. Some of their products are in here, and it really brings a light to a lot of different companies. So please go check out FabFitFun, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I always love these boxes and getting to put these together for you guys. So please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, guys.